So recently I got really interested in toki again, but this time I actually want to try and learn it for real. So I decided to create a practicing tool for practicing the sitelen pona glyphs or whatever they're called, and also of course the words themselves. Like I typically do, I never searched up if a tool like this already exists, and I just made it myself regardless, even though there might exist some way better tools, I don't know. But I figured that I would just quickly show the tool and then also like publish it so that anyone can use it if they want to, if in case there aren't any better alternatives, which I hope there are, because this tool is honestly very jank. I just like threw it together pretty quickly. Let's see, 1 second. Yeah, sure, whatever. The tool, I don't have a script, so I don't know how well this is going to go. But I have two modes. One where you practice, well, yeah, words, and one symbols. Technically, they aren't very different, as the features present in the symbols mode are pretty much the same as words mode. But yeah, whatever. I'll show words mode first. So you can either get the toki word, where you then have to think of what the translation in English is, and it will also show the symbol, but that is not like a super big focus, I guess, at least not in this mode. I'm like completely new to this, so I don't remember what this is. Also, you can draw, I'll discuss that a bit more later. Forage hunt. Hell yeah, I was right. Oh, I'm so good. Yeah, so it shows the symbol, although it's a bit not clean now that I drew this. And then it also shows the translation. And then you can continue. Here it like changes every time from showing the English first and then showing the toki first. Technically, I don't have a way to change this, except just like changing the code itself, which I guess I can quickly show in case someone actually wants to use this. This one was funny. I remember how it looked. Whatever. I can see. Right. Yeah. So this is the mode for not symbols, words. You exit by doing just pressing escape, or I guess you can alt F4 or whatever way you quit applications in your OS. Anyway, symbols. Here it shows both the English and the toki where you then have to draw, or have to, you're intended to at least, draw what the sitelen grapheme, is that right? I don't know, symbol, what that looks like. And you can see, this is a bit, I don't know if this is good actually, for it to just show the symbol and then show the text afterward. Yeah, no, that's not, I mean, maybe it's good, I don't fucking know. Anyway, you can change it if you want to. You might maybe have noticed that all I'm able to get are words that start with A. I guess that might have not been super noticeable, since I only showed like 3 words before saying that, of course. But that is modified in, let's see. Oh, this is here. I have that's maybe not super intuitive. I'll just show here. Programming. Where is it? I'm so bad. I don't know why. Whenever I'm in like a file browser, I'm absurdly bad at like finding what I'm looking for, even if it is in alphabetical order. Toki T, that's pretty low down. There. Here, I have a file called selected categories, where you then, the words you want to include, you remove the hashtag at the beginning, and those will be included. Since A is the only one that doesn't have a hashtag, it is the only words that will appear. Right, so if you want to change it, so again, this is very like jank, I don't have like a UI for this, like how I don't have a UI for selecting what words you want, but oh my god, it's so loud upstairs. If you want to change it so that, for instance, in symbols mode, where it doesn't like show the symbol first, you have to, that's wrong, you have, I'm gonna remove this. Let's see, yeah, this is what happens when I don't script my videos. Oh my god, my brain is just shitting itself. I gotta pause the video, I don't remember the code even though it was just yesterday. Right, you have to, in main.py to be clear, you have to change choose new word, I can't speak, where you have to change this to either true or false with like a capitalized letter at the beginning. That will make it so that, let's see, show toki pona, show toki, yes, okay, so if you want, whoops, that's not what I wanted. True, it would be true if you want it to, for the symbols mode, always show this first instead of, oh, shut up. Yeah, that completely threw me off my like thought process or whatever. But yeah, that will make it so that it only shows the text first. Yeah, this tool is so jank. I don't know if there's even a point in making this video and publishing this, because I can't imagine anyone wanting to use this, honestly. But whatever, I've already committed to it. Yeah, so I guess that's pretty much it. Switching it back for now. Actually, maybe I should. Yeah, I think I'll make some changes after the recording that just makes this always be true if you're in symbol mode. Yeah, I think I'll do that. But I think that was it. So hopefully this tool will at least be able to help me, but hopefully you too. With, oh shit, there's one thing I forgot to mention that's very important. This tool is maybe a bit hard to use if you don't really know how Python works, because it is using a, let's see if I can, okay, it's a bit hard to see here, but oh no, I gotta search for it again. Well, now I know roughly where it is. Oh, I'm so quick. It uses a virtual environment that contains libraries that this program uses. It uses Pygame, or Pygame Community Edition, because normal Pygame is, at least the maintainer of it. Holy shit, it's power trip. Anyway, I'm going super off, how do you say it? Off track. So yeah, you will have to, if you want to use this, you will have to know at least the basics of Python and how to install Pygame for this to use. But I think that's all you have to do. Although that makes the like potential pool of people wanting / being able to use this program like even smaller now. It was already really niche, both due to being toki pona, due to being so jank, but now also due to needing an understanding of Python to be able to use. Oh well, again, I've already committed to making this video. Oh my god, so loud. Making this video, and I don't need to explain myself this much. Yeah, I'm just going to stop the recording now, make some small tweaks, and then upload it to GitHub or whatever. GitHub or whatever. And then also, of course, link it in the description. But I guess that was it.